Opening statements today in the murder trial of a Buckhead attorney. There is no dispute over the fact that Tex McIver killed his wife Diane.
But jurors will have to decide if it's an accident like the defense claims or murder like the prosecution alleges. Fox 5's Angelique Proctor was in the courtroom for the opening statements. And Angelique, there are already some bombshell accusations.
Bombshells indeed, Tom. The state came out swinging, saying not only did Tex McIver plan this murder and execute it, but they allege he tried to bribe the DA to get out of it. The defense says this was all an accident, and they say the victim herself, Diane McIver, said so.
Now, this is a case about maintaining an image of wealth and power that the defendant created for himself.
Prosecutors say Atlanta attorney Tex McIver and his wife Diane appear to have it all from the outside looking in. But in reality, Tex was losing money. His salary had dropped 54%, and his life was spiraling out of control. The two had always agreed to keep their money separate. The state told jurors Diane, who was worth $12 million, was doing extremely well, had given her husband almost $200,000 in assistance, and even gave him a $350,000 loan to operate his beloved ranch in Putnam County.
Without the money from Diane that he was receiving every month, on the time of her death, the defendant wouldn't even have $1. As a matter of fact, without Diane's money, on the day that she died, his account would have been negative over $5,000.
Prosecutors say McIver planned the murder of his second wife to regain control of his finances, and even told 6 different versions of what happened to medical personnel at Emory Hospital back after the shooting. Prosecutors closed their openings with a bombshell allegation that McIver had attempted to bribe the Fulton County District Attorney through PR specialist Jeff Dickerson.
And what he tells Mr. Dickerson is, you can get this case dismissed. You can get this case dismissed. And if you do, there's a large bonus in it for you. And I won't mind if you share it with the DA.
The defense says McIver and his wife adored one another, and he would never intentionally kill her. A defense attorney demonstrated how a drowsy McIver had his handgun on his lap and accidentally fired. McIver's attorneys say Diane even told the doctors treating her at Emory Hospital that her husband had no malicious intent.
But what she says to Dr. Hardy, without any prompting, is it was an accident.
Now, jurors are hearing from McIver's former employer, the law firm where he worked for 44 years. There has been lots of testimony about his 6-figure salaries over the years. Reporting live from downtown, Angelique Proctor, Fox 5 News.
Interesting day for opening arguments. Angelique, thanks.